What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing something a bit different. We're actually taking a trip to LA. It's not even that far. It's probably about, yo, how far is LA? Like 2-hour drive? Yeah, it's like an hour and a half away. So we're going down to LA. First thing we gotta do today is ship out the packs for the man himself, DP Sneaks. Y'all already know, if you guys need any sneakers, any kicks, the man DP Sneaks has everything. So just hit him up on IG at dp.sneaks and you know, get some drip. Alright, I got you, fam. We're about to get the drive started, so we're gonna roll the intro and then I'll catch you guys on the other side. Yeah, one thing I want to add, I was gonna give you guys an update for one of the stores that I was running. I showed you guys it did something like 1.6 or 1.7. It was doing like 3K a day last week. I was gonna give you guys an update in this video. One problem though, our business manager went down and it's been down for about a week. So I don't think we're gonna be hearing back or even getting that business manager back for a while. So with that being said, I just went ahead and I started another store on a different business manager. The reason why I didn't relaunch this one is because my pixel is stuck in that business manager, right? So I went ahead, I opened another store, and today we're on day 2 and we're already profitable on day 1, which is quite surprising. So I'm just gonna show you guys the results. If my phone feels like loading. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get you guys the results. So we've been profitable for the first 2 days already. We're only like midway through today and we're already profitable for the whole day. So even if we don't get any more sales, we're profitable. So as you guys can see, we have about $313 in sales. And yesterday we did $294 in sales. So that brings us to a total of $606 for the week, but that's only been 2 days. So I wanna see how fast I can actually scale this store up and if we can actually bring this to probably like 5K a day within a 1 week time frame. So as long as nothing happens with the business manager or the ad account and we can keep running the store, I'm hoping to have pretty good results given the fact that my last store that was doing well got shut down. Actually, my last 2 stores got shut down under the same business manager. So yeah, we'll see how far this can go. We're sitting right now at about a 2-point-something ROAS, 2.2 ROAS about. So yeah, we're pretty profitable on the first 2 days and we're gonna be scaling tomorrow. So I'll keep you guys updated on this in the next videos as long as my business manager or my ad account doesn't go down. But yeah, I pray to God every day that my business manager doesn't go down. People that are doing numbers on Shopify know how much of a pain in the ass it is to have your business manager go down. And like, there's really nothing you can do. All you can really do is send in appeals. And I've been having people asking me questions like, you know, my business manager is down. What do I do? What do I do? The only thing you can do is send an appeal. And if you contact Facebook Live support, they're just gonna tell you to do the same thing. So all you can really do is send in the appeal and wait. And yeah, so hopefully they get back to you soon. Lately, they've been taking a long fucking time to get back. Like, they've been taking weeks, like sometimes 3-4 weeks. I've even heard people, it's taking them like 2 months, which is really unreasonable, and they'll use COVID as an excuse, but I don't even think it's that. I just think that they lack customer support. But anyways, we're about to slide to LA and now we're gonna roll the intro for real. So I'll catch you guys on the other side. So we just touched down somewhere. I don't even know where we're at. We're not in LA yet. About to get there. Taking a little break at a Starbucks. We're waiting for the drinks to get ready. Yo.
Grab it. I'm gonna call somebody real quick.
All right. Thank you. Yo, talk to them. What's the deal?
Yo, we're going to LA right now. It's Shelton's first time in LA. Hold on, let me take this fucking mask off. Jesus Christ. But it's Shelton's first time in LA. We're in Anaheim right now. This is where Disneyland is. Not Disney World, Disneyland. There's this future car right there. I don't know how you zoom this shit in. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Shelton's car. Future man.
Everyone there? That is Castro Marati, famous YouTuber and owner of AdWired. So,
hey man, look, all I do is I show up and I click publish. That's all I do. I don't do anything else. My only job is to show up and launch the ads.
Exactly. Show up and launch the ads. Owner of AdWired right there, everybody. Buddy came up with an analogy about getting your Facebook account back, Facebook ad account or business manager. So it looks kind of like this. And essentially what's gonna happen is that you start at the top right here and you send in your appeal and then it just goes wherever the fuck and then eventually falls off path and then comes back somewhere in here and then right up here again and then ends up wherever the fuck down here. And this is about like 5 months later when you don't have your account back yet. And then boom, you're like here and then they just decide to answer one day because they said it was closed temporarily, so please hold. And then eventually your account comes back because sorry, it was an accident. We just touched down in LA, and I never seen something like this before. Like, I've seen these machines, but I didn't really know that they give away cash and stuff. Yeah. These guys are in the smoke shop. Man, I'm not on that. Yo, stay away from drugs, kids. But on some real shit, we're on Melrose right now. We're trying to go catch some lunch or something. But yeah, so far nothing too special about LA. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But we'll see what happens. DP's on the move right now.
Oh, look at this nigga. He's trying to
In through the back door. This is big as hell.
You just gotta get your size. Probably these are all the big sizes.
Yeah, this is big.
And go down to the smaller size.
You got some shit up your phone.
Maybe like a different rack.
Yeah, I'm a cop on it. So we just went, we got some food. What was the name of the place?
Dave's Hot Chicken.
Dave's Hot Chicken. Food was gas. 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10. What out of 10? 8.5 out of 10 would recommend.
This is Beverly Hills.
So we're on Beverly Hills right now. Yeah, so we're still on Rodeo now. We're just kind of looking around, walking around. I thought it'd be time to give you guys a little bit of an update on the store that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. So, like I said, today is only day 2 of running the store, and we've cracked $475 in sales on the second day. And I think we're up about 35%. There goes the Ferrari. But yeah, I think we're up about 35% now. And the ad account resets at 9. So we'll see if we'll get any more sales for the day. Regardless, like we're up. Yeah, but we're up heavy on it anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Hey, but let's see if any of these stores are open so we can cop some shit. So we had to kind of cut the trip short. It gets dark really fast now. Like it got dark around like 4:30, 4:45. So like, there's not really much we can do when it's dark out. We left the house late. Like we were planning on being in LA like super early, but yeah, we're on our way home. So when I get to the crib, I'm gonna go ahead and check what my ROAS is saying on that one store that I've been showing you guys throughout the day. Oh yeah, so the store is nearly at 600 in sales now. Last time we checked, it had just hit 500 in sales. Or actually no, it hit 475. So now we're at 5 something. I think I'm at like 560 maybe. So we got 2 more sales since the last time I updated you guys. Yeah, now we're at 561. And the day's about to be over in about 2 hours. So, I'm looking forward to scaling this store. I think there's a lot of potential with it. So yeah, I'm gonna check in on the ROAS when I get home, and then I'll give you guys one more update. Huge shout out to the man himself, Casper Marati, for getting us home in a reasonable amount of time, safely. Me, I slept like almost the whole way, I think. I don't even know. I slept, and when I woke up, we were almost there. So huge shout out to the man himself, Casper Marati. Made a 2-hour trip, a 25-minute trip back home. Kind of illegal, but not illegal because there was no police. But
we were driving from Mexico, so we were actually inside the United States at the time of us driving from our last time you saw us in the video to now.
Yeah, because we came from Canada.
Yeah, from Mexico. We're just driving in Mexico. There's no street laws there.
Yeah, exactly. So we made it home safely. Castro was pushing the foreign, pushing the Ferrari. So.
Catch me in 6 months. Let me talk to y'all when I turn 21.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll start talking about it.
All right. But I'm about to get the ads manager pulled up. We finished the day at 560 in sales.
Yeah, bring the ads manager down here.
So yeah, I'm gonna get the ad account up. I'm gonna show you guys the ROAS. Show me the ROAS. So yeah, I'll get the ROAS out for you guys. I'll post a picture on the screen somewhere, like right here or something. Yeah, right here. I'll post a picture right here, and you guys will see. So as you guys seen, we finished at 2.3 ROAS. It was actually a little bit more than that. Our Facebook account missed like 4 sales, and some of them bought multiple of that product. So these were a lot higher ticket sales, and the Facebook didn't track it. So I think the ROAS was probably around 2.5 or 2.6. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. For all of you that do wanna join the group, like I said, there's a 1-week free trial. And then for you guys that want to connect with me one-on-one as well, there's also the link to book a consulting call with me in the description. So make sure you guys check out the description, join the Apprehend group, and book a call if you want to. Join the free Telegram group, whatever you want to do, connect with me. Also, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.